Scarpetta?
Sorry to wake, Doc. There's been a murder at Dangerfield on the train tracks.
모두가 잠든 새벽, 버지니아의 수석 법외관 스카페타는 고요를 깨고 현장으로 향합니다.
Good to have you back, Doc. This here's Officer Frug. She was first on the scene.
현장에서 마주한 피해자는 팔다리가 뒤로 묶이고 손이 잘려나간 끔찍한 모습이었죠.
Sexual components for sure.
그때 스카페타의 형부 피트가 현장에 찾아오는데
Can't show up here like you're still on the force.
Hey, listen,
No,
Lucy
you
wants you
can't.
to take her to Wellwood.
What? You came all this way to tell me that. Go now.
다시 현장 조사를 이어가던 스카페타는 과거 일을 떠올리게 하는 눌린 동전 하나를 발견합니다.
Scarpetta.
Pete Marino here. We got us another one.
Okay, I'm on my way.
28년 전 스카페타는 버지니아주의 수석 법의관으로 처음 부임했습니다.
Sorry, baby.
그녀는 언니의 딸 루시를 맡아서 키우고 있었는데
If her mother calls.
Her mother will not call.
Thank you.
급하게 부모를 부르고 사건 현장으로 향하는 스카페타.
Dr. K. Scarpetta, Chief Medical Examiner. You are.
Officer August Ryan, doctor.
그녀는 곧바로 현장을 둘러보기 시작합니다.
Hey, Doc. This here's the husband, Matt Peterson.
피해자의 남편 맷은 배우였고 리허설을 마치고 늦게 귀가했을 때 이미 아내는 끔찍하게 살해된 상태였다고 진술하는데
Smell
What kind of smell?
sour.
피해자는 팔과 다리가 뒤로 묶인 채 살해된 상태였고
Trust. Same as the others. She straightens her leg and the ligature tightens like a noose.
Water in the tub.
Must be where he grabbed her. So he put the nightgown on her just to cut it off.
Screen in the bathroom windows popped out. Maybe how we got in?
All the other victims are single. DNA from the husband would be helpful. Our doer is a non-secretor, so that would rule him out.
그때 피트가 남편의 것으로 보이는 칼을 발견합니다.
Police have not released the identity of the victim, but it is widely presumed that this marks the fourth killing in a series.
다시 현재로 돌아와 스카페타는 오랜 시간 버지니아를 떠나 있다가 수석 법의관으로 복귀했죠.
Hearty welcome back. Oh, I didn't expect to see you both here. Dr. Reddy, Maggie. Congratulations, Dr. Reddy, on being appointed health commissioner. I mean, you were so excited about retiring when we spoke.
I brought you something.
Dr. Scarpetta, I'd like to work for you.
She'd be eyes and ears to you.
Full support. And a direct line to the health commissioner himself.
Come on, Maggie, you really want to work for me again?
Dr. Scarpetta, I gave my life to this office.
Great. Eyes and ears.
새벽에 발견된 시신의 부검을 시작하려던 스카페타는 다시 28년 전을 떠올립니다.
I mean, you had to see the guy, Doc. I mean, it was a total, almost lighthearted demeanor shift, not the broken up softy that you saw.
피트가 피해자 남편과 인터뷰를 했던 것인데
Was it ever in Lori's habit to be, friendly to strangers?
Lori understood the dangers of living in the city.
In light of which, I think she'd be careful about keeping the windows locked.
She probably thought it was locked.
You accidentally left the window unlocked last weekend when you came to replace the screen.
피트는 맷이 범인이라고 생각했지만
How can you connect a husband killing his wife to the first 3 murders?
Peterson gives me the willies, okay?
하지만 스카페타는 맷이 범인이 아니라고 확신합니다.
Cause of death is sharp force injury to the neck. The head wound, though significant, was not the cause, perhaps to incapacitate her.
Dr. Scarpetta?
What do you need, Maggie?
Officer Ryan just called. There's a situation that requires your assistance.
그날 오후 스카페타는 조카 루시의 생일을 맞아 루시의 아내였던 제닛의 묘지를 찾아갑니다. 루시를 지켜보며 스카페타와 그녀의 언니 도로시는 여느 때처럼 티격태격했죠.
Maybe if I hadn't seen death at such a young age, I would have had some broader career choices.
He was my father, too. Okay.
Oh, fuck off.
Shut up, okay?
That was your fault.
집에 돌아온 두 사람은 루시의 생일 파티 준비를 하는데
Have you checked in on Lucy?
Oh, she's not 5.
It's her birthday. I mean, she said the worst you're imaginable.
I know.
Have you seen her? Where is she?
Talking to her dead wife.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thanks.
생전의 습관과 말투를 고스란히 복제한 AI 제닛과의 대화는 루시의 유일한 안식처이자 탈출구였죠.
How's Janet?
Don't act like I'm doing something weird.
Not, I'm just asking. Sorry that I'm late.
무책임한 언니 도로시를 대신해 루시의 어린 시절을 온전히 지탱해온 것은 바로 그녀였습니다.
Let's go eat some cake,
루시의 생일을 축하하기 위해 도로시의 남편 피트까지 모였고
Don Dio Benton just got here in time. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Make a wish.
There it is.
Yeah.
그리고 스카페타의 남편인 FBI 요원 벤턴.
You, Dr. Scarpetta? Agent Ben Wesley. Nice to meet you.
Oh, Benton.
Benton Wesley.
Wesley.
From the FBI. Did Detective Marino not tell you I was coming?
We'll meet you in my office. It's right down there.
I'll go find Pete.
벤턴은 연쇄살인의 패턴을 분석하고 예측하기 위해 투입된 프로파일러였고
How does Laurie Peterson affect your profile?
This guy, someone you might not look at twice. No, the best part for him is the antecedent phase, fantasy playing, right after he becomes aware of her, when he's fueled by obsession. It started him just looking in windows.
Well, seeing the women watching them.
스카페타는 잘생기고 실력 좋은 벤턴에게 호감을 느낍니다.
Not for nothing, but Matt Peterson, our PhD candidate who's too brilliant to be our killer, he was a non-secretor.
Full art doer is a non-secretor, so that would rule him out.
This is the husband of the most recent victim?
여전히 피트는 매시 범인이라 주장했고
Matt Peterson worries me if I'm being honest, Dr. Scarpetta.
Okay.
Joe found partials on the wife's body that matched Peterson. Same glitter slime on her as the rest of the Vicks.
그날 저녁 스카페타가 돌아왔을 때 루시는 컴퓨터만 붙들고 있었는데
Lucy, what did you do with the computer?
She was a doctor, like you. I don't want you to die, Aunt DK.
I know. I'm not gonna die.
My daddy did.
스카페타에게 루시는 어렸을 때부터 조카보다 딸 같은 존재였고
Okay.
Mom, can you just give it a rest?
그런 루시의 생일이었기에 쏟아지는 수사 연락을 모두 받지 않았죠.
Move out, Lucy.
Oh, God.
Move out. Dorothy,
What?
come on.
You had talked about wanting to do a PI business with my Peter. Or, you could always go back to the FBI.
Look, there's nothing wrong with me living here.
I just think that it might be serving as a reminder of the very thing you need to get over.
You mean Janet?
No,
My wife?
grief.
Okay, Dorothy, can I see you in the kitchen, please? All right.
Cynicism will only get
스카페타는 루시를 이해하지 못하는 도로시가 못마땅하기만 했고
Anyone who has lost their wife in the last year isn't happy.
But how many of them are still talking to their dead spouses
What?
all
And
day
that's my
long
fault?
as
Is
if
that
they
what
were
you're saying?
alive?
Come on.
You are
I am
so
not
easy on her.
No,
You
I am.
are.
No.
I think she was better off before you came back.
You didn't raise her. You didn't
Oh,
pay
I
attention
know.
to her. You
Okay.
only bothered with her will.
I will fucking deck you.
You're blowing up.
Come on.
어쩔 수 없이 다시 사건 현장으로 가야 하는 스카페타. 피트가 그녀를 데려다 주기로 합니다.
All right, Colonial Landing condos.
Yeah, you told me.
Am I bad for Lucy?
I think that Lucy is who she is because of you. You've also never been able to say no to her.
I will
What do you want me to do? Sit here and not tell you the truth?
Okay. I'm telling you, Reddy installed Maggie in my office today, and it's...
You think he's gunning for you? I mean, look, you did humiliate the guy on the daily for 10 years.
I would never have come back after he forced me out. If I'd known he was going to be my boss, I need someone I can trust.
I'm all in, Doc.
How does forensic operations specialist sound?
Yeah, that sounds educated.
그렇게 피트를 조수로 고용하고 현장에 도착한 스카페타.
Sorry to call so much. Doc?
I just deputized him as my forensic ops guy officially. Who lives here?
Gwen Haney, 33, biomedical engineer at Thor Labs.
Officer Frug, you're first on the scene again.
Likes to be everywhere at once, this one. Gets it from me.
I didn't know you were so close.
I think they call that the mentor-mentee relationship.
지난번 기찻길 옆에서 찾은 시신이 이 집에 살던 혜인이 같다는데
Why do you think this missing Gwen Haney is Jane Doe?
Because I think we may have found the murder weapon.
It's the right size, right shape.
You think it killed her?
But he took her to Dangerfield Island, slit her throat, and she bled out.
Prints on the kettlebell came back with a name.
Ryan, who is it?
It's Matt Peterson.
If that's true, then 20 years ago.
We got the wrong guy.
혜인이의 시신을 다시 부검하던 스카페타는 피부 이식 흔적을 발견합니다.
No prints or DNA on the penny you found at the train track. You're cutting in the cooler.
Because the color matched perfectly. Can you run this for rapid DNA testing?
We got to stay here another month.
I know.
한편 도로시와 피트는 스카페타의 집에서 얹혀 살고 있었고
Look, we got to get out of here. I need my privacy.
두 사람은 빠른 시일 내로 거처를 구해 나가기로 합의합니다.
I'm going to look into some kind of short-term rental after Thanksgiving.
Well, you don't have to do that on my
No, come on. We all need space, right? We need our space, especially now that I'm going to be working with the doc again.
What?
It was just, like temporary so that I could be legal at the crime scenes and, postmortems and like that.
You gave my husband a job. Yeah. What about the private PI business that you were going to start with Lucy? And do I have to remind you? We are here for Lucy's sake.
Was it a good idea, Kay, to have Marina start working with you again?
By the straw poll in this house? Apparently not.
스카페타는 유일하게 마음을 털어놓을 수 있는 벤턴에게 사건 이야기를 꺼내놓습니다.
Jane Doe, who was on the train tracks, was actually a biomedical engineer working at Thor Lab.
Marino says you think Matt Peterson might be involved.
그녀는 자신을 압박해오는 주변의 상황들과 28년 전의 판단이 틀렸을지도 모른다는 의구심에 불안해하고 있었죠.
Do you know who she's talking to? Janet.
Oh, I know.
It's
I know.
every day now.
If we don't figure out what happened to Gwen Haney, and if Matt Peterson is involved in any of this, any of it, then there is a lot of blood under that bridge. A lot.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Scarpetta.
I suppose we haven't officially met yet. Call me Wingo.
I'm seeing a lot of purple. Wingo.
Positive for semen.
윙고는 사건 현장에서 수집된 각종 과학적 증거들을 정밀하게 분석하고 있었고
The hunting knife Detective Marino found.
The fibers are consistent with the victim's nightgown.
윙고가 찾아낸 증거들을 바탕으로 피트는 피해자의 남편 매색에 거짓말 탐지기 조사를 실시합니다.
Why is Abby Turnbull always nipping at our heels?
주 검사인 볼츠는 추측성 기사를 쏟아내는 기자 에비가 마음에 들지 않았고
This guy passes, we need to get off him real fast.
Did you kill your wife?
No.
그때 칼에 묻은 지문을 검사하는 스카페타.
Marina's called twice already about these prints.
Has he?
칼에서는 매새 지문뿐이었는데
No other partials.
Which in itself is strange if the wife did use it.
스카페타를 찾아온 레디는 지문 검사에 필요한 서류를 아직 받지 못했다며 시비를 걸어옵니다.
You've been previously receiving as the
As interim chief, you mean? I know you wanted this job, Dr. Reddy. So you and I are going to have to find a way to live together. If you'll excuse me, Dr. Reddy.
Yes. Appreciate your planes.
그때 누군가 레디에게 다가와 길을 물어보는데
Maggie Cutbush. Dr. Kay Scarpetta. The new chief?
스카페타는 피트와 함께 피해자들의 집을 돌아보기 시작합니다.
What about the ski mask? If she's going to live to identify you.
Hair, sweat. I ain't stupid.
You do leave semen. Maybe you know you don't secrete.
The day she was found, Cecile Tyler, our third and only black victim, was supposed to go shopping with her pal Bobby.
Cecile?
Peers through the slightly parted curtains. Finds Cecile. She's white, you know.
Brenda, Patty, Cecile, and Lori.
피해자들의 공통점을 깊이 고민하던 스카페타는
All the other victims were tied up with electrical cords from the lamps, right?
Yeah.
Why did he use phone cords on Lori?
Matt Peterson must have changed his name because my rudimentary searches have turned up nothing so far.
Gwen Haney had a skin graft on her leg. Didn't seem like the skin was real.
What do you mean you don't know if her skin was real?
She didn't have any scars on her body where they would have had to take in the tissue for the graft. So, I mean, if it's from a cadaver, then it'd be like a normal skin graft and it's not going to match Gwen's DNA.
그때 피트에게 루시의 전화가 걸려오고
We need your help. It's very important. We have a possible murder suspect who has gone off the...
Fine. I'll help.
Give me his name.
Matt Peterson.
그 시각 벤턴은 새로운 수사 프로젝트 임무에 투입되는데
I need to speak to you. I take it you met your partner, Sierra Patron. The woman we've been tracking from Thor Labs has officially been ID'd as the Jane Doe from the train by his wife. And Dr. Scarpetta, I'm sure, has informed the police. So now they're all going to start looking into our Gwen Haney. She was deeply involved in the Thor Orbiter project.
3D printing human organs in space.
She did highly sensitive work for many companies and various governments, including our own.
그 무렵 스카페타는 헤이니의 집을 둘러보고 있습니다.
You wrapped her, carried her. You had to be strong. Did she have a car?
Nope. We still haven't found her phone.
You say she paid 3 months in advance, all cash? Didn't strike you as odd, huh? There was a boyfriend?
The boyfriend, this Jinx Slater, does he have a history of violence?
According to a neighbor, sometimes when they'd break up, he'd act out in ways that were stalking behavior. You know you can't tell your wife any of this, right?
She had access to all that tech, all those secrets. I mean, she must have been.
You think all that got her killed?
My gut's still on the fence about that.
But you're saying I can't tell my wife I'm holding a cell phone in my hands that she's going to spend her day looking for.
벤턴은 28년 전의 연쇄살인 사건과 관련하여 당시 피해자 두 사람이 서로 만난 적이 있다는 결정적인 정보를 스카페타에게 제공했습니다.
They might have met.
They very well might have.
Dr. Scarpetta?
Uh-huh.
May I see you? Oh, I'm Maggie Cutbush. Your new secretary? I'm afraid there's an urgent matter.
Yeah, okay. Sure. I've been hacked.
Yes, that's the word. Hacked.
매기는 스카페타의 컴퓨터에 누군가 로그인한 흔적이 있다고 하는데
Didn't know if it was the first time.
스카페타가 알고 있는 컴퓨터 박사는 오직 한 명.
Why?
There was an emergency in my office with the computer.
It wasn't me.
I'm not saying that it was.
I swear it wasn't me. It wasn't fucking me!
Luz. Are you okay?
Mom called to say she went to Hawaii and married the man who draws the pictures in her books.
Oh, God. Oh, Luz.
It's okay. Don't even care.
현재 루시는 맷에 대한 정보를 찾아냅니다.
I'll be back. Where is Gwen's cell phone?
The murderer probably took it. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right back.
This boyfriend, Jinx Slater, he's a hacker. Off the grid that goes through proper police channels.
Are you saying you need somebody outside of police protocol to help you find him?
잠시 뒤 저녁 식사 자리. 루시가 태블릿을 들고 오는데
Yama Matthew Peter.
That's Matt Peterson's new name. That guy you wanted me to find.
Yama is the Hindu god of resurrection.
He's running some like pseudo-spiritual grief cult out of a veggie farm.
Hey, Lou, I'm gonna need you to find somebody else when you have the time, okay? Longtime boyfriend of this Gwen Haney we found murdered on the...
벤턴의 표정이 잠시 굳어짐을 느낀 스카페타는 다음날 아침 무슨 일이 있는지 벤턴의 눈치를 살피는데 면도를 해주는데 죽은 피해자가 자꾸 생각이 나고
You alright?
It's this case.
This is not like you.
I just have to go to work.
스카페타는 피트와 함께 맷을 찾아갑니다.
Well, it's quite possible that Gwen was a spy and Peterson has nothing to do with this. If Gwen was in deep in Thor and she was selling secrets to God knows fucking who, then Peterson was just a coincidence. We don't have anything to worry about.
I did think it was him back then. But you proved me wrong, right?
Yeah, well, you need to be wrong. I need to be right. Because if he really did have something to do with this, then Gwen's death is on me.
28년 전 스카페타의 집.
Are you fucking kidding me? What were you thinking telling her you got remarried over the phone?
Was I supposed to lie to her?
I could have softened the blow.
I got married.
Her whole life just changed in an instant.
I think you're upset. And you're making it about Lucy.
There is a serial murderer, the Luce who
rapes and tortures women.
Again, I don't have time to be a mother to your...
You know, in the future, I'll remember, you're only really comfortable with the dead.
그렇게 화난 상태로 출근한 스카페타.
Hey, Dr. Scarpetta.
Abby, I can't talk to you.
지역 언론사 기자 에비가 찾아와 인터뷰를 요청하는데
I'm sorry.
가뜩이나 기분 안 좋은 스카페타는 에비를 그냥 돌려보내고 피해자들의 몸에서 공통적으로 발견된 반짝거리는 물질이 뭔지 알아내는데
Holy smokes, Doc. That's the makeup remover Matty boy used the night of the murder.
하지만 스카페타는 여전히 메시 범인이 아니라고 생각했고
Sorry to interrupt, Dr. Scarpetta. Health Commissioner Ambergy just called.
You didn't tell anyone about the hack, right?
What hack?
스카페타 책상 위에 놓여있는 의문의 우편물.
Shoot.
Don't tell anyone where I'm going?
그녀는 곧바로 보건국장을 만나러 갔고 그 자리에는 벤턴과 볼츠가 이미 자리하고 있었습니다.
Oh, hello again. Was that the chief I saw a minute ago leaving the building?
Summoned by the big kahuna. That's boss. In Hawaiian. But you didn't hear that from me. But she did seem, nervous.
Are you aware, Dr. Scarpetta, of a leak?
피해자 중 한 명인 로리에 대한 정보가 신문에 대대적으로 보도되었고 결국 터질 게 터졌다고 생각한 스카페타는 솔직하게 털어놓기로 합니다.
What?
I hadn't entered Lori Peterson's details into the computer yet. They were still locked in my desk. But someone bypassed the OCME security protocol and broke into the system and searched for Lori Peterson's case file.
Well, what do you think about that? The first gal chief ME of the Commonwealth, and we're already up the shitter!
Before you fire me, maybe someone could tell me that Lori Peterson dialed 911 the night she was killed.
그녀의 말에 당황하는 보건국장과 볼츠 검사.
This is Lori Peterson's phone records. She was the only victim tied with phone cords, not electrical cords. Now, why was that? Why was the phone in play this time?
Because she used it.
To call for help. But it turns out no one ever came. Wouldn't want that getting out, would we?
그렇게 스카페타는 별 문제 없이 상황을 해결할 수 있었고 현재 그녀는 피트와 함께 맷이 운영한다는 농장에 도착합니다.
I don't know if you remember us. It's been a long time.
Detective Marino, Dr. Scarpetta.
That's us.
Decades have passed and yet no time at all. You're just in time for lunch. Come on, join us.
한편 피트의 조언에 따라 루시의 도움을 받기 위해 프루그가 도착합니다.
Who the hell are you? Pete Marino sent me? For the Gwen Haney case? Guess you better come in then.
루시의 오두막에 들어온 프루그는 컴퓨터 화면을 발견하고
Is that from a drone?
Yeah.
Is that from your drone?
Yes. And lucky for us, looks like he's home.
Great. Text me the address. I'm coming with. So you can't just like do a ride along? Used to be a Fed. Higher security clearance than you.
루시는 프루그와 함께 헤이니의 전남친 징크스의 집으로 향합니다.
I was aware of seeing you a couple times over at A League of Their Own. I know what A League of Their Own is.
그때 비어있는 루시의 오두막에 도로시가 자신의 책을 들고 들어왔고
It's here on your desk. It's,
Hi. Shit! I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Hey, great job on Good Day Chicago. I think this book might be my favorite in the series.
You've read all my books.
Of course.
What?
그 시각 프루그와 루시는 징크스의 주소지에 도착합니다. 열린 문 사이로 무장한 채 안으로 진입하는데
Well, he was just here. It's like he might have run in a hurry. Killed my girlfriend and split.
You can't keep me here. I know my right. Jenks, this is a federal investigation, and as such, we can keep you here as long as we want.
Longtime boyfriend of this Gwen Haney we found murdered on the...
전날 밤 징크스를 찾는다는 이야기를 들은 벤터는 파트너인 시에라와 함께 한 발 앞서 그를 빼돌린 것이었죠.
See how he's looking at her? He loved her. Sure seems like it.
I didn't kill Gwen. I loved her.
I swear it wasn't.
Who was it then?
Chief Scarpetta was starting to think that maybe Gwen was a spy. Being at Thor, Gwen would have had access to a lot of secret shit. So, think someone came for Jinx too?
In Buddhism, Yama means god of death. I couldn't be the same after what happened to my wife. I call workarounds ways of coping. There are bad ways, and there are good ways. The good was to try to help other people who'd lost people. That's what gave birth to this place.
Do you know this woman, Gwen Haney?
No.
What about you?
No, she does not.
Can you let her speak?
I don't know her.
She was murdered. And the weirdest part about that is they found your prints in her condo.
All right. I don't hold a grudge against either of you for what you did to me, you know?
We found your wife's killer.
Yeah, that's what we did.
But not before ruining my life, my reputation. You need to go.
더 이상 권한이 없던 스카페타와 피트는 자리를 뜨고
She had marks on her wrists.
You think she tried to off herself?
I think someone tried to tie her up.
28년 전 스카페타가 보건국장에게 불려갔던 그날 밤 벤턴이 스카페타를 찾아옵니다.
Nor was I there in any adversarial manner. I wanted to assure you that.
Maybe if you tell me exactly what happened after I left, I might even believe you.
A lot of backpedaling. I just wanted you to know that I'm on your side.
Aren't you supposed to do that in your bedroom? Hello.
Bed now.
스카페타가 벤턴을 배웅하려던 그때
The hell?
Is someone watching us?
It's the latest.
He used Palomar knots on Gwen Haney. And then the phone cords that he used on Laurie Peterson.
Herself.
I think someone tried to tie her up.
We gotta get a warrant on that fucking farm.
You're right, and it's been Matt Peterson this whole time.
Oh, it's Lucy. God damn it, Jinx Slater in the wind.
Just so you know, I didn't want to have to show you this.
Please, I don't want to see that.
Did you do this?
I didn't fucking do it!
Okay. Let's start talking about what Gwen was really doing at Thor Labs and how you were helping her.
한편 도로시는 AI 제닉과 의외로 진지한 시간을 보내고 있었고
Do you have to be so hard on Lucy for spending time with me?
I want her to have a real life.
But this is her real life.
Or is it her old life?
I promise you, I would never do anything to hurt Lucy. She's my love.
Wait, it's so dark out. I've been deserted by them for the greener pastures of death and murder. You know, I don't know what's in it for my husband to be tethered to my weirdo sister once again.
I mean, Pete's always been in love with Kay.
What?
28년 전 기자 에비의 집 앞에 있던 누군가 집으로 들어가는 에비를 지켜보고 있던 사람은 바로 주 검사 볼츠였습니다.
Holy smokes.
I got us a table at Le Cavoré for two, so you're not going to cancel because of your volunteer job.
한편 스카페타는 루시를 찾아가고
Hi.
Can you do something for me? Can you see if Matt Peterson ever knew our victim, Gwen Haney?
Well, it'll take a couple hours to generate a report.
Send it to Pete when it's ready because I'm going to go to Dangerfield and I'm going to see.
Be careful. That place is living up to the sound of its name for women.
What does that mean?
Another woman died there about 6 months ago. Female jogger. Cami Ramada.
That death was ruled accidental. So 2 women died there and no one said a thing.
조깅하다 사고로 죽었다는 케미는 혜인이와 비슷한 곳에서 발견되었다는데
Call Frug, see what she knows.
The Thor Labs warrant just came through. I'm headed there now to meet Officer Ryan.
Good.
Do you remember anything about a jogger, Cami Ramada?
Yeah, I was first on the scene.
Papers say she drowned.
They said that she had a seizure while jogging, fell, hit her head, and then...
A head wound, though significant, was not the cause. Perhaps to incapacitate her. Head wounds, just like Gwen Haney.
심상치 않음을 느낀 스카페타는 사무실로 가 직원들에게 해당 사건에 대해 물어보는데
Look now, Dr. Reddy came by, said he was going to give Debbie the assist.
All for show.
The man was dressed up in a 3-piece suit, trying to impress those FBI guys he brought with him.
Well, why would a bunch of FBI guys be so interested in a random jogger?
Guess what my snitch found in a dumpster up in Berkeley Heights?
Oh, God.
28년 전 피트는 범인의 채취가 그대로 박힌 점프슈트를 확보했습니다.
Same glitter goo as we found on Lori Peterson and the others. Maybe they found the killer's blood and it belonged to hubby Matt. It's always the husband, am I right?
I don't know.
It's your problem. On the rag?
It's not funny.
Sake, try growing a pair.
Pete, cut it out!
피트에게 한 소리 들은 윙고는 자리를 박차고 나오는데 자기 편을 들어주는 스카페타에게 고마움을 느끼던 윙고의 눈에 무언가 포착됩니다.
I just found this in the fridge.
No, the Lori Peterson evidence was already sent to New York.
You missed a slide?
No.
But it's not initialed. You usually do that.
I only collected 1 perk. I don't know where this came from.
살해당한 로리에게서 채취한 샘플이 모두 사라진 것인데
I start with the label machine in the autopsy suite. Of labels was generated with every type of sample I could possibly collect. I labeled the tubes with samples in them. I date and initial the perk, and then I put that information into the computer.
Okay, what about the extra labels?
The extra labels, and they're gone.
They'll throw out this case and any other you've ever touched.
I know! Somebody did this to me to put my credibility at stake.
I was just wondering if there's any way I could help.
You and I are the only 2 that go into that fridge.
You think I set you up?
I don't know.
That's certainly not a boss who's defended me like that. And I'm not saying there's no one here who would set you up like that. I just thought you knew that it wasn't me.
Dr. Reddy, we were looking for Betty.
Called out personal emergency because there's been some chatter around the office about mishandled evidence. 0 incidents in my entire tenure.
And there will be 0 incidents in mine, so you can tell that to whoever is chattering.
스카페타와 피트가 밖으로 나오자 급한 용무가 있다던 베티가 보입니다. 피트는 벤턴에게도 도움을 요청하고 스카페타는 증거물을 가져간 사람을 찾기 위해 지문을 채취하지만
Dr. Scarpetta, only your prints are on the evidence. Hold up.
스카페타의 지문에서 피해자들에게서 발견된 반짝거리는 물질이 보이는데
Did you touch anything you normally wouldn't?
No, I wore gloves and then I washed my hands in my office bathroom like I always. Also, I think I know who is chattering. It's my new secretary.
그때 갑자기 볼츠가 사무실로 들어옵니다.
Look, Abby Turnbull's sharpening her quill for another story.
My whole office is out to get me. And one of them will surely blab to Bolts. He wants to punish me because I wouldn't go on a date with him. Which is probably the first time that anyone has ever turned him down.
Bolts asked you out?
Yep, when I first got here, Elvin will bring out the bubbly and he'll steal the job that I earned, which he thinks that I stole from him.
벤턴은 불안해하고 흥분 상태의 스카페타를 진정시켜주려 합니다.
Breathe in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's stroll through your day.
벤턴의 도움으로 스카페타는 아침부터 자신의 일과를 쭉 되짚어보는데
Before we went to Betty's, I washed my hands in my office bathroom. No, I didn't. Oh shit! I didn't wash my hands in my office bathroom. I use the bathroom downstairs. I almost never use that bathroom.
Only one way to find out.
화장실에 있는 가루빈으로 손을 씻는 피트. 그의 손에도 반짝이가 묻어나옵니다.
There's a cumulative effect with each wash.
That explains why the residue shows up on anything he touches. He's obsessively washing.
That jumpsuit, this syrupy, sick smell. What if our killer has a metabolic disorder?
And he's paranoid about it, or at least subconscious.
Right, exactly. So that's why he keeps washing, to mask the smell.
We can trace the soap, narrow our scope of suspects.
Not to mention, the doc can start figuring out what kind of diseases can make a person smell like a rotten pancake.
다시 현재 스카페타는 케미의 부검을 담당했던 데비 박사를 찾아갑니다.
As far as first impressions go, this is not my finest moment.
Well, I was wondering if I could ask you some questions about Cami Ramada's autopsy.
I think you should direct to former Chief Reddy.
얘기를 꺼내자 데비는 도망치듯 자리를 떠버리는데
I came back to this job for one reason. And the first time I did this, the first time I came here, I wanted to do it right. I really did. Because the dead, they deserve at least that. They deserve an honest, dignified ending. Cami Ramada did not get that. But it's not your fault. I know whose fault it is. I can't insulate you. I can't insulate myself. But what I can do is I can be on the side of good. I can stand for the dead. And I'm asking you, do you want to stand with me?
This is where she was jogging, and then this is where she drowned.
It's a pretty good distance.
6개월 전 데비는 시신 수습차 현장에 출동했었고
Then Alvin Reddy shows up. He's dressed like he's going to a catered affair, not a crime scene. And he has a private conversation with the FBI. And somehow he gets the body sent to us.
These head wounds all but scream accident to me.
Dr. Reddy, at least let me submit DNA samples to CODIS.
Why? We're looking at an accident. And make sure our FBI friends have access to whatever they need for their own investigation. Is that clear, Dr. Kaminsky?
Yes, sir.
You didn't happen to see a flattened penny there, did you?
No, there was nothing.
Cami had no biosynthetic skin grafts on her body, did she?
No. There's one more thing. The night on Dangerfield. It looked like Maggie to me.
한편 도로시가 이사 나갈 집을 구했다고 통보하던 그때 피트에게 전화가 옵니다.
Hey, Lucy, what's up?
Well, you should take a look. It's Matt Peterson and Gwen Haney having a drink.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. Hey! Baby, I'm sorry. I gotta go.
피트는 급하게 자리를 뜨고
Everything okay, babe? I think I just made a mistake.
What happened?
Officer Frug.
Marino's going after Peterson.
I found a connection between him and Gwen, and I shouldn't have told him, but...
I'm at Thor Labs right now. I'll call you as soon as I get done.
Fine, I gotta go.
What's taking so long?
It's a no-go.
What do you mean? We have a warrant.
They're talking security clearances, like from the government. They're calling the Department of Defense.
DOD.
You want to tell me why you made a habit of hacking Thor Labs' computer system? You were well aware that Thor Labs is doing experimental research into 3D bioprinting human tissue and organs. And we were well aware that you and Miss Haney were selling that information to the Russians. So what happened?
I never heard Gwen.
You find out she was cheating?
What?
Oh, come on. These are her text exchanges with a man from her contacts named Gary Mitchell. And she used you. And then she got bored with you, probably wanted someone more like herself. And your anger broke you, Jinx.
So I tried to protect her.
Protect her from what?
She would lay digital trails, and I'd clean up after her.
So that's why you hacked him.
We've got a problem.
맷이 범인이란 걸 확신한 피트는 그의 농장으로 달려갑니다.
You don't know Gwen Haney. You don't know her, right? Huh? You think I'm a fucking moron. I ain't a moron.
You may actually be the biggest moron I've ever met in my life.
Get up.
그때 도착한 프루그와 루시가 피트를 막아서고
Say it, I didn't kill anybody. You're a liar. You lied to my fucking face about knowing Gwen.
How did you know Gwen Haney?
I read an article about Thor Labs, all their biosynthetic engineering breakthroughs. It all just got my brain a little crazy with the possibilities. And one day I'm at the bar and I see this woman. It's the biomedical engineer from the articles.
Sick fuck.
So we got to talking.
Yeah, and you brought her home.
Flirting. I was desperate. I wanted to find out if they'd found a way to do it, if it was ever even going to be possible.
What?
Make fully functioning, compatible, independent synthetic organs.
What do you use those for?
To create life where there is none.
Yeah.
So you thought you were gonna bring your wife back to life?
What would you do? If you can even summon the imagination, what would you do if you lost your love?
Listen to me. When people die, that's it. They're gone. They're fucking gone. You know why? Because the dead ain't supposed to come back.
We're reopening the Cami Ramada case, so I'll need all pertinent information.
That death was ruled accidental.
In the morning. Thank you, Maggie. Oh, and can we arrange for a mini fridge for Dr. Kaminsky? Niceties go a long way for a working mother.
그 순간 갑자기 들이닥치는 FBI 요원들. 그들은 다짜고짜 스카페타를 웬 장소로 이송하고 군인들이 가득한 이곳에서 스카페타를 기다리던 건 벤턴이었습니다. 도착한 곳에 있는 건 추락한 우주선.
Is this connected to her dad?
벤턴과 시에라는 우주선 안에 시체가 있다며 그걸 검시해줄 법의관이 필요했다고 말합니다.
So 3 months ago, Thor launched an experimental biomedical lab to 3D bioprint human organs in orbit.
Apparently, conditions in space optimize growth.
So earlier today, ground control lost all contact with the orbiter, and some 3 hours after that, we detected an unknown object re-entering Earth's atmosphere and completely disintegrating.
The orbiter. So,
Yes, please.
what happened to it?
Well, that's what you're here to tell us.
3 individuals lived on that orbiter. 2 commercial astronauts, an American and a Russian to run the station, and a biomedical engineer from Thor Labs to perform the experiments, Jared Horton. X-ray, we've determined there are 2 bodies inside of the lab wreckage. What happened to these men? What caused their deaths? And
Gwen Haney, also a biomedical engineer at Thor, was found murdered in Virginia this past week. Last summer, when intelligence was received that she was selling sensitive trade secrets to our foreign competitors, the Russians. 2 days after Gwen Haney's death, Jared Horton placed a brief call to her cell phone from the Thor orbiter. Hello from space, my dear. How are you? Well, we believe it means that Jared Horton and Gwen Haney were partners shopping biotech to the Russians.
He's always been a little rough around the edges, Pete. Man, I have never seen him lose his cool like that.
루시는 조금 전 피트가 매세게 했던 말이 계속 생각납니다.
When people die, that's it. They're gone.
I am sure he didn't mean any of the things he said.
I actually think he did mean it. And I think it's something he's wanted to say to me for a while.
I saw what was on your screen. Well, who was on your screen. She's beautiful, Lucy. And I want to say, you know, everybody deals with grief their own way.
그 무렵 도로시에게 사과하기 위해 꽃을 구입하고 있는 피트.
Give me a pack of premiums, too.
Yeah, live it up. I love you.
Hey, Doc. So, good news, bad news on the Peterson front. He didn't do it. The bad news part is delete.
Look, I know you're upset, but I only knew about Gwen for a couple of days.
I'm not angry. I'm in a fucking rage. I was questioning everything my whole career, and all that worry and fear you could have taken away in an instant.
Okay.
스카페타는 분노를 억누르며 우주선 안으로 들어갑니다.
Lots of biosynthetic organs.
These Abby Turnbull articles aren't helping much. Just as far as people feeling terrified.
28년 전 스카페타는 가로비누를 사용하는 기관들을 조사해 용의자 범위를 좁히려 했고
So at least 10,000 employees across the city. You realize it's already 6 p.m., right? I mean, we ain't gonna get no one on the phone until Monday.
Well, what do we do? It is Friday night.
You should get home to your niece. Well, look, I ain't just gonna sit around. The night he strikes, I'll patrol the fucking street.
무력하게 집으로 돌아올 수밖에 없었던 스카페타.
Luce, we're gonna go see a movie. Okay?
기분 전환을 위해 루시와 영화관에 갑니다.
You know that guy that you met the other night? And he won't be in the future.
그때 스카페타를 알아보고 다가오는 애비.
Guess we had the same idea. Better out than home, right? I didn't know you had a daughter.
Lucy, she's my niece. She's my sister's daughter. And she's just staying with me while my sister is...
I've got one of those. She's staying with me right now. So,
Don't
what?
do that.
Do you really think the hubby did it?
I can't talk to you.
Fine.
Fine.
What hubby did what?
피트는 여전히 맷을 의심하며 그를 주시하고 있었습니다. 맷이 방문하는 술집 앞까지 따라가 그를 감시하는 피트.
Thinks the man married to the doctor lady was the one that killed her?
And it's her job to write about crimes that happen and make them exciting.
I want to get some popcorn.
Fine.
I have money and I can walk 10 feet to a popcorn line by myself.
팝콘을 사러 간 루시는 가족들과 함께 있는 벤턴을 보게 됩니다.
No popcorn. What happened? Nothing. The line was too long. Why do you keep checking that?
Sorry.
맷은 아내를 죽인 살인마라고 손가락질을 받으며 동네 술집에서 쫓겨났고
You hit the ground a little hard there.
You following me?
Of course I'm following you. You're suspect numero uno.
I can't even drink over my grief in peace.
Before you go out and kill some more.
Stop, would you? You go find the son of a bitch who killed my wife.
We've had a chin waggle too of late.
You're chin wagging with my mother?
And then I maybe accidentally gave her the impression that,
What?
well, that Pete
might kind of, sort of, have always been in love with your Aunt Kay.
Okay. Mother, look up. Do you love Marino?
All my marriages have meant something to me.
You love Marino, like love.
Hi. Wait, are those for me?
The best I could do at 1 o'clock in
They're
the morning.
so beautiful. Where were you?
I was,
But it was so late.
I know.
Walk us through what you're seeing.
Walls of the cabin seem to be covered with what appears to be...
Blood. It's blood.
Any sign of the third crewmate?
Nope, just fake organs.
Based on the temperature comparisons and rigor, I would say they have been dead 10 to 12 hours.
They were killed in orbit.
That's right.
Yeah.
Question is how.
그 시각 루시오와 함께 야식을 만들고 있는 피트.
You heard from the doc. Both her and Benton's cars are gone.
Why don't we worry a little less about them? Maybe a little more about you.
And that's enough about it. The point is, don't take nothing I said out there too seriously.
It's okay, Pete.
I just feel sad that she's gone. You know what? I think I'm ready.
2 dime-sized punctures on the upper torso. Perfectly round.
So what are you thinking, Dr. Scarpetta?
Bullet holes. I'm thinking bullet holes.
We're watching footage of a Russian spacecraft landing in Kazakhstan. The Russians are rescuing our missing astronaut. Jared Horton is alive.
Bodies of the 2 astronauts will be transported to ACME offices in Virginia, where I'm going to conduct the autopsies. What I will say is that the initial ultrasound review indicates that there was a high-speed projectile that penetrated each of the victims' bodies where it fragmented into birdshot. Pattern is indicative of Glazer safety slugs.
We believe that these Glazer safety slugs were brought on board the orbiter for the specific intent to murder. And if Jared Horton is indeed alive and well in Russia, then I am inclined to think that Jared Horton murdered his crewmates, sabotaged the orbiter, and then escaped on the Soyuz.
What does this mean for Gwen Haney's murder?
Jared Horton and Gwen Haney were working together to bring technology and information to the Russians.
집으로 돌아가는 차 안. 그녀는 자신이 헤이니 사건으로 극심한 스트레스를 받고 있음을 누구보다 잘 아는 벤턴이 결정적인 진실을 끝까지 숨겼다는 걸 도저히 납득할 수 없었습니다.
I understand government secrets, but you could have hinted at something. You know
What is your obsession with this guy, anyway? So what is it that's making you so crazy?
Don't change the subject. You knew you should have said something to me.
And would you have kept it to yourself and you wouldn't have shared it with Pete?
So that's what this is about? You're jealous of Pete?
Should I be jealous of Pete?
Are you sleeping with her? It's happened before. Why wouldn't it happen again?
Come on, it's different.
No. You're married. I was young. What's different about it? Do you regret it?
No, I don't.
Do you regret leaving your wife and kids?
Hey, what are
For
you
me,
doing?
I mean, you're living here with my crazy family. Say it. Just say it. Tell me the truth.
Okay,
You
listen.
fucking was.
I agree with your sister. Right? I think you have a codependent connection to your niece. I saw it when she was 11, and I still see it, and I think Lucy would be better off away from her. Free to make her own choices, free to fail on her own, and
I'm
free
the one that took
to
care of
learn
her.
how to pick
I
herself back up again.
I don't want you
Say it,
sleeping in the
I
house
said it.
tonight. I don't want you.
Well, I don't give a shit what you want.
And I am not going anywhere.
There's something deeply emotionally wrong with you.
What did you say?
And you know it's true.
I'm sorry I screwed up that lunch yesterday, babe, but I'm gonna make it up to you. I'm gonna make it up to you like tenfold.
루시는 이제 프로그가 계속 신경 쓰입니다.
Actually, I was just a little worried about you and Pete.
Oh, Pete's fine.
So what was that like, huh? Talking to Janet on that thing. I always thought you thought I was creepy.
And she asked me about my books, which was really sweet. And I realized I missed her.
그때 집에 도착한 스카페타.
Where you been, Doc?
I'll fill you in later.
You know what? I'll be right back. Hey, Doc! Come on. Listen, yeah, it turns out that he did know Gwen. His crazy way, he had more to gain from her being alive than this. So, you know, we're good on that front, right? Night, Doc.
스카페타와 다른 방으로 온 벤턴은 손전등을 꺼내더니 그리고는 소파 옆에 놓인 종이 하나를 집어드는데 자신이 어릴 적 보던 프로파일링에 대한 책이었죠.
Good night, Luce.
Night, Aunt Kay. Saw your friend, the FBI guy, at the movies. I didn't know he was married. Did you?
Yeah. But thank you for telling me.
그 무렵 애비는 영화를 보고 집으로 돌아옵니다. 애비는 와인잔이 바닥에 떨어져 있는 걸 발견하고
Hannah?
대답 없는 여동생을 찾아보는데 다시 현재 벤턴은 스카페타와 화해하지 못하고 출근합니다.
Still in Russia. Extrication will be tricky, but the astronaut names are confirmed now. Richard Vance and Ivan Zuski. We need that ballistics info from your wife. ASAP.
Okay, so Gwen had a secret boyfriend, this Jared Horton, right? And what, he murders 2 astronauts in space so he can get rich and run off to Argentina with Gwen?
Yeah.
Well, at least now we know we have some kind of motive for Jinx Slater, and so he buys her in a jealous ring.
Gwen, Cammy, too many commonalities for them not to be connected.
Sorry to interrupt. There's an Agent Tron on the phone from the FBI.
도로시는 루시에게 새 집을 구할 테니 같이 가자고 하고
And then, of course, you can get your own place. Just maybe for a little bit of time, maybe we can, try to have nights like we did last night.
Pete almost beating a guy to death and you blackout drunk. No, I think I'll pass.
What do you mean that Pete almost beat a guy to death?
Come on, tell me everything right now, immediately.
결국 루시는 어제 있었던 일을 모두 털어놓는데
She hadn't dragged him back into menial work.
You cannot always put everything on her, all right?
벤턴에게 향하던 길 피트는 스카페타에게 자신이 맷을 때렸다는 사실을 털어놓습니다.
I want you to hear from me and not somebody else. Namely, Lucy.
Lucy knows?
Yeah, she was there, unfortunately. She was there, but we've squared it away.
I guess Dr. Scarpetta didn't enjoy being filled in after the
She didn't. I slept in a chair and my back hurts.
Here, don't you have couches and beds in that plantation house?
Slept in my childhood lair. Every time I talk to you, I say at least one thing I wish I had.
잠시 뒤 죽은 우주비행사들의 몸에서 적출한 탄환을 들고 들어오는 스카페타.
I'd like to leave with the evidence that was buried from the Cami Ramadi case.
그녀는 탄환과 케미에 대한 정보를 교환하자고 제안하지만
Damn it, Kate. There's nothing I can do.
All right. I'm going to exhume her and find out the real cause of her.
It's absurd.
Thank you.
You cannot let her do that. You can't.
That didn't go good.
Nope.
Yes.
Hello, Maggie. I'm ordering the exhumation of Cami Ramadi's body.
I'll certainly have to run it by the Health Commission.
Either get it done or get the hell out of my office.
Our next call's to Reddy.
I don't care. Let's go to Dangerfield.
28년 전 스카페타는 다급한 연락을 받고 애비의 여동생 살해 현장에 도착합니다.
And then I came in. Oh my God, it was so much blood. The smell.
It's like a sour, syrupy smell.
Yes.
잔혹하게 살해한 수법은 다른 피해자들의 흔적과 소름 끼칠 정도로 일치했죠.
No, pattern looks identical to the other women. Time of death is between 8 and 11 last night.
Fuck me.
What?
I had eyes on him the entire time.
Point is, he didn't do
The
this.
attack was more violent.
Abby thinks the killer was after her because she made Peterson the prime suspect in the news.
What, and you wanted credit?
그때 갑자기 소란스러워지는 바깥.
You have no reason to be here. Get the fuck out of my house.
애비가 현장에 온 볼츠를 내쫓으려 한 것인데
Blew me into whatever that was.
얼마 전 애비에게 기사거리를 주고 같이 저녁을 먹었다는 볼츠.
We have dinner and drinks, and before you know it, the restaurant's closing. So I take her home, right? She invites me in.
You had sex.
Yeah.
And then?
Nothing.
It's weird.
I think he drugged and raped me.
Did you file a report?
No, I did. He's a city attorney.
But
No
you-
one's gonna
you
believe
have to
me.
tell the police.
Maybe she's mad because I never called. Who knows?
All of that outburst, that was just about her ego? Huh. I don't remember a dog, do you?
It's probably just one of those fake signs, scare people off.
Guess the killer must have known she didn't really have one.
I mean, you went out with him.
But with Bolts? No.
Did you get a bad feeling?
Yeah.
과거 자신에게까지 노골적인 사심을 드러냈던 인물이었기에 스카페타의 불안은 더욱 깊어만 갔죠.
Yeah, please don't take her to the Y today.
Madness. He killed another lady, didn't he?
That's why I'd like you to stay inside for a while. Feel better knowing where you are and where I can reach Yaya.
Why didn't Abby go to the police?
She was scared that no one would believe her. Our killer raped Henna with his knife. If Bolts was the killer, he would have known that Henna wasn't Abby.
When a murderer starts his ritual, he can't stop himself.
Whoever his intended victim was, he meant for her to suffer intensely. I think it was the killer who hacked the OCME to search for Laurie's case file.
Could be someone looking to damage your credibility. Is there anyone you trust who could privately help you trace the hack?
Apart from my 11-year-old niece,
That adorable one.
happened to see you at the movies the other night with your wife and your daughters. Hey, what if we flush him out? So, what would humiliation do?
결국 스카페타는 애비를 찾아가 범인이 심각한 질병을 앓고 있다는 기사를 써달라고 부탁합니다.
Based on the smell that you and Mr. Peterson noticed at both crime scenes. We suspect the killer has this disease.
The hope being that the article can rattle his cage enough to flush him out, expose him.
Came by your house the other night to warn you about bolts when I heard you guys dated.
Oh, we didn't.
Anyway, I saw you had company, so I drove off.
May I use the phone?
There's one in the kitchen.
I assume you saw who I was with at my house the other night.
I could be counted on to keep a secret.
Thank you.
다시 현재로 돌아와 스카페타와 피트는 단순 사고사로 결론 지어졌던 케미의 시신 발견 현장을 찾아갑니다.
How did Cammy end up by the river?
두 사람은 밤 늦게까지 주변을 살폈고
Spraying for blood?
Spraying for the penny.
You think that the penny's a signature?
Maybe.
예상대로 스카페타는 납작하게 눌린 동전을 발견하는데
Get the fuck out of here.
그 시각 퇴근하고 온 벤턴을 도로시가 불러 세웁니다.
I'm wondering if you ever gleaned that my husband, Peter Marino, was and is in love with your wife.
What?
Shit.
What is it?
Reddy is summoning me to his office tomorrow morning. I'm being fired.
Jumping at conclusions.
Can you believe Benton hid this shit from me?
I mean, he kind of had to, right?
Come on.
What? Yeah, but it's kind of his job, you know?
You wouldn't do that.
I never had that much sense when it came to you.
I think you've had a lot of sense when it comes to me.
Kay is conventionally beautiful. She's smart, tall.
You know what else she is? She's selfish.
It's a lot of years working together, right? Which, by the way, how am I going to keep a secret from you?
Well, you think Benton would feel the same, right?
Couples fight, they make up, they move through it. You take it down a notch, you know?
What?
Up on your high horse, and you've had a pretty big secret yourself you've been hiding from him, right?
I know my wife.
I think you know the parts of her that she wants you to know.
You ever think maybe if you told him the truth all those years ago, I've told you the truth now?
Well, then you know why she is so freaked out that this Matt Peterson case has come back to haunt her.
Because it was her first big serial case. She couldn't be wrong.
You don't know, do you?
Know what?
Ask her.
그 무렵 벤턴은 스카페타가 돌아오길 기다리고 있었죠.
I mean, I want to know your secret. That's all. Just want to know your secret.
What are you talking about?
What happened with the Peterson case that made you so afraid for it to come back into question?
Nothing.
Did you sleep with him, Kay?
No, I did not sleep.
You
I don't
dated
know what
Bolts,
you're
you
talking
never
about
told
now.
me.
This is you.
When I heard you guys dated.
I never dated Bolts.
Dorothy
I told you every.
Dorothy knows.
I've told. What did Dorothy say?
I'll bet Marino knows.
No, what
See,
did Dorothy
Marino.
say to you?
Me, your husband. I am asking you to be honest with me.
There's no lie. There's nothing.
Disappointing.
실망한 벤턴은 스카페타를 떠나 집을 나가버립니다.
Hey, we need to talk. I want to talk about Blaze Frug.
What about her?
And you were on the phone to her for 118 minutes last night.
I'm helping with a case.
Look, Luce, it's okay for you to enjoy talking to someone else.
I can't do this with you, Janet.
I understand, but I think you have to consider that maybe your mother was right.
How can you say that to me?
Your mother wants you to be free, to live your life. And so do I.
I want to know.
I want to know what you said to my husband.
can imagine
I'm probably
saying-
getting fired today, so I don't need you stirring up shit in my marriage.
Hey, that is rich. Coming from a person who, without telling me, has apparently been in the middle of mine the whole fucking time. He prefers you, Kay. And I had to hear
I
it
promise you, on my life.
from Janet. I had to hear it from a fucking AI robot who seems to be a keener observer of the human scene than
this is-
even I am. All I think about all day is death.
That's all I've thought about since I was 11, so.
I don't want you to die. And all we ever did was fight. Come here.
도로시의 화해 요청에 자신이 루시를 어떻게 대했는지 돌아보는 스카페타.
I just think that it might be serving as a reminder of the very thing you need to get over.
Look. You've been right all along about Lucy. You're not
Doc, you ready to go?
Okay.
Hi. Where are you chauffeuring her to today?
Go exhume some remains.
Can you wait in the car, Pete?
Yeah, of course.
루시를 정신적으로 독립시키기 위해 그녀에게 향하는 스카페타.
Dr. Scarpetta.
Lucy's not here?
No.
Janet, I think you being here is hurting Lucy.
I know. I'm worried.
Are you?
This wasn't my choice, you know.
to be here.
What wasn't your choice?
I mean, I created the program for my work, but I never liked it. And Lucy and I, we swore we would never use it.
And then Lucy broke that promise.
I mean, I love Lucy. You know, I even tried to give her my blessing this morning about this blaze fruit, because she's so stubborn. She just shut me off.
I need to ask you to do something.
You tell Benton about the penny we found where Cami Ramada died?
No.
Feds, they gotta be up to their tits in this, right? They're probably gonna pin it on some patsy and have somebody else take the fall for Gwen's. If Gwen really was a spy, okay? Wouldn't it be more likely that whoever Thor hired to guard their secrets killed her? Maybe?
그때 소어 연구소에 방문했다는 프로그로부터 전화가 오고
Got a call that a janitor found something in a tampon dispenser. Turns out it was a finger. And then Agent Wesley got here with his partner and sort of took things over.
Fuck cuts her hands off and then drops her finger off at her workplace.
Maybe he needed her fingerprint.
Well, maybe you could call Benton and fucking ask her.
I can't do that.
Fuck, well, what happened?
I never told him the truth about Greystone.
Good. Hey, don't start now, okay?
And he left.
It's okay, he'll be back.
So many distractions in this case. If you peel them all away, if you just, what are we left
Two
with?
dead women.
Yeah.
Both found in the
Yes.
exact same spot. Both joggers at night. Both with similar head injury. Both found with the signature penny at the crime
So
scene.
it's the same person who murdered Cami Ramada and Gwen Haney.
That means that it
Then
wasn't a Russian spy killer and it wasn't some disgruntled Thor assassin.
Or an angry
No,
boyfriend.
what we're looking for here is a serial killer.
Whoa, you actually came.
28년 전 스카페타는 사건에 집중하기 위해 도로시를 호출했고
My work has become complicated and dangerous, and I can't spend the kind of time that I want with you.
Well, I'm not going.
You're the one who called me. I am taking my daughter home where she is safe.
I mean, I could use her help trying to figure out who hacked my computer system.
So you're setting up a trace on your aunt's work computer in case the murderer checks it to see what she knows about him.
So if anyone tries to break into Aunt Kay's files, I'll be notified.
스카페타는 죽은 피해자들의 자료들을 다시 한번 검토하기 시작합니다.
Are those the women he killed?
Strangled and sexually assaulted, yeah.
I know a lot about human behavior, you know? My expertise, people.
Okay, what the hell? Now, the questions that we need to answer are, what do they have in common? Why did he pick them? And how did he get a hold of them? Now, the obvious outlier is Cecile Tyler. She is a black woman. Highly unusual for a serial killer to stray between races.
피해자들은 공통적으로 같은 의료센터에서 근무하거나 치료받은 적이 있는데 세실만은 골절 흔적이 있는데도 그렇지 않았다는 것.
Is there a next of kin we could ask?
She's got a sister.
Well, let's call her.
세실의 언니에게 전화해 의료센터에서 치료받은 적 있는지 물어보는 스카페타.
Was it at the VMC?
Her elbow. That was a while ago in Fredericksburg, where we grew up.
Mrs. O'Connor, are you black?
Of course I'm black.
And forgive me, but you don't sound black. Did your sister sound like you?
Isn't that what education is all about? So black people can sound white?
I wonder if Cecile has a voice like hers. It's like low and contralto like Laurie's.
You think they all sounded alike?
Maybe he didn't know what race they were. Maybe he only heard them. It was their voices. That's what triggered him. He didn't see them, he heard them.
Telephone solicitors call every night during dinner.
I don't think that's late enough.
Late enough for what?
If he's using Bora Wash soap all day on the job, gets home at 5 or 6, that's not enough time for the buildup of the glittery residue we have on our victims at 1 o'clock in the morning.
So he works late, night. What about a helpline? Suicide prevention.
Pizza delivery guys. They're out all night. He likes her voice, and then the address pops right up.
그때 전화선에 묶여있던 로리가 생각난 스카페타.
Laurie called 911 that night. I wonder if the other women... Can you get us those records?
I could drop you off at the radio room and then go hit some pizza joints.
Yeah, okay, let's do that.
Gotta say, I'm glad it wasn't Bill Boltz.
다시 현재 스카페타는 케미의 무덤을 파헤치는 중입니다.
I'm gonna be late for Reddy.
서둘러 케미의 가족들에게 궁금한 점을 묻는데
Did she ever mention a woman, Gwen Haney?
The girl that got murdered here?
Yeah.
No.
Well, I will be doing a full examination. I'll let you know what I find.
스카페타는 레디의 호출을 무시하고 부검을 진행하려 합니다.
I just need you to stay with me and whoever else gets in the fucking
What
way.
is that? Got it.
Dr. Scarpetta, you're supposed to be in Commissioner
I've
Reddy's
been caught
office.
up here.
He won't stand for this.
그 시각 벤터는 연구소에서 나온 혜인이의 손가락을 가지고 징크스를 찾아갑니다.
Guess what we found under the nail?
What?
Your DNA.
I was just helping her. She was leaving a fucking trail. They were gonna kill her.
You've been using your skills for the wrong side, so. The path you chose, a path of treason. Because here's the question. Are you smart? Are you smart enough, Jinx, to know that in certain situations, murder is a far better option than treason?
This looks like a skin graft. It's just like the one on Gwen Haney's leg.
Okay, so maybe the story of a lone woman jogger getting snatched off a popular trail at a popular park and then getting beaten and drowned in the Potomac, and that's not a story that Reddy and the governor want to see in the papers, right? It's bad for tourism. It's bad for the Commonwealth.
Maybe
Jesus.
Reddy had no plan on retiring. Maybe he was angling to be health commissioner all along.
Keeping the murder rate low at scenic and popular Dangerfield Island would win him a lot of gratitude from the governor.
Can you get Dr. Kaminsky in here now?
그렇게 피트가 밖으로 나가자
I'm Detective Stan Winters. It's my sad task today to place you under arrest for the assault of Matthew Peters.
Commissioner Reddy demands your presence immediately.
If you want me to leave, you're gonna have to make me.
He will fire you.
Why can't you look at her, Maggie? Is it because you feel guilty?
And why would I feel guilty?
Because there was a second murder on Dangerfield that you could have prevented. Why did you do it? Why?
Cabby Ramada had temporal lobe
She was
epilepsy.
killed, and you helped Reddy sweep it under the carpet.
You need to leave the building.
You will have to make me.
Former Detective Marino has been arrested for assault.
스카페타는 지체 없이 피트가 체포된 경찰서로 달려갑니다.
But I just posted his bail, so.
They forcibly removed me from my office.
You're fired.
Yeah.
You told Ben?
No, I don't know what's happening there. So talked to Janet earlier.
Why's everyone just talking to Janet suddenly?
You know, I've been enabling you and trying to support everything you do, and I wanted you to have anything you ever wanted. And I thought that was the right. I'm the one who's hurting you, and I'm gonna need you to move out of the cottage now.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not doing this with you. I'm not.
I gotta give it up.
Fuck you, Aunt Kay. Fuck you.
한편 28년 전 스카페타는 9.11 상황실에 도착합니다.
This is a list of all the calls. I'm gonna go hit those pizza joints.
스카페타는 사망한 여성들의 통화 기록을 살펴보기 시작하고
Yes, I was in a car accident.
What is your name and location?
Patty Lewis. I was pulling out of my driveway, 209 Elk Ridge Lane.
And your name, please?
Cecile Tyler.
Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
My name is Lori Peterson.
예상대로 모든 피해자들이 9.11 상황실과 통화했다는 걸 확인한 스카페타는 화장실로 향하는데 그곳에서 가루 비누를 쓴다는 걸 눈치채고 모든 피해자들이 단 한 명의 상담원과 통화했다는 사실을 알아내는데
Mr. McCorkle is working today.
Well, he's not here. Had to go see a sick mother. He won't be back till after Christmas.
Can you point me in the direction of his desk? I'd like to leave him a note.
그렇게 상담원 로이의 자리를 확인하는 스카페타.
Alexandria Police.
Is Detective Marino there? No. Yellow. Stay inside with Lucy and keep the doors and the windows locked. Marino, meet me at 1319 Greystone Avenue right now. You answered calls from every single one of our murder victims.
All right, copy that, Doc. I'm 10 away.
로이의 주소에 도착해 피트를 기다리던 스카페타의 귀에 날카로운 비명 소리가 꽂힙니다.
Fuck!
여자의 비명 소리에 스카페타는 집 뒤편으로 달려갔고
Hello, Dr. Scarpetta.
로이는 자신이 살해한 여성들의 마지막 순간을 비디오로 기록해온 잔혹한 사이코패스였습니다. 위기에 처한 스카페타는 로이를 살해하고 마는데
I told you to wait.
그때 도착한 피트는
You were never here. It was the doc that figured it out.
This was Dr. Scarpetta, the chief medical examiner?
Yes.
자신이 홀로 로이의 집에 침입했으며 격투 끝에 정당방위로 그를 죽였다고 거짓 자백을 하는데
You think Detective Marino's in trouble?
If it was a good shoot, he'll be fine.
Thanks, Officer Ryan.
A shit show this may be. We got him.
What's gonna happen to Detective Marino?
I'll get asked some more questions by Internal Affairs.
스카페타는 사실대로 이야기하자고 피트를 설득하지만
Is that not in her purview as chief medical examiner? You shouldn't have come here.
Now I have to perform an autopsy on a man that I can lie about my findings. We can't do this.
I did this for you, Doc. Just stick to the story.
Thanks for bailing me out.
But this is serious. You go too far.
You talking about now or back in the day?
I'm talking about all of it.
I should go in. Face the music.
Yeah, she handed it off to Dr. Debbie. Yes, I'm sure it was the fake skin Thor was making on the moon. The feds arrested this Jinx Slater for Gwen Haney's murder. He was the boyfriend. Of course she won't think he did it. Dr. Scarpetta is convinced there's a serial killer out there. And Elvin, if she's right, that's on us. Yeah, I know what I have to do next.
28년 전 스카페타는 연쇄살인범을 잡은 공로로 축하받았지만 연쇄살인범 로이의 부검 확인서를 총상으로 조작해야 했습니다.
Cause of death, 3 gunshot wounds to the neck with small caliber bullets.
Don't mind me, boss. Just want to say congratulations again. Detective Marino was bent on obliterating it. Extending a wish of good fortune to our esteemed leader.
연쇄살인범이 죽었다는 소식은 벤턴에게도 전해지고
Abby.
Oh, come now, Abby. Don't you think it's time that we bury the hatchet?
And the only hatchet I'm burying, Mr. Bolts, will be in your back.
Somebody took the bait. Here's what's weird. It's somebody from Auntie Kay's office.
Hey, guess what? We have big news. The kid is close. She almost knows who's been hacking into your computer.
하지만 도로시는 죄책감에 울부짖는 스카페타의 모습을 보게 됩니다.
He was a murderer, and I killed him. Hey, look at me. But I killed him. He was a filthy, disgusting murderer that needed to be stopped.
You got arrested?
Yeah.
For beating a guy?
The guy is a psycho with a long involved record. This charge is never going to stick.
It's a crime.
It's not a crime. It's not a crime unless it's proven, babe.
Crime. No, we're not. I'm out.
What?
We are going to a hotel. I'm going to pack.
Oh, shit.
Nothing. Jesus.
You okay?
You don't want to got arrested. By the way, I bailed you out. I'm
Okay.
sure she took credit.
She who? She the doc?
We got into a fight while we were waiting for you, and I left because
Wait. Fight a bitch? Come on.
she told me to move out.
So weird. Just packing up and moving out in the middle of the night.
You're the one that just got arrested.
You know what happens.
All right. Wasn't your fault.
Oh, yeah, whose fault was it?
My sister. Before this ends in a prison sentence for my beloved or the nut house for my daughter. You follow her around like a dopey dog.
What, meaning me?
Yes, motherfucker, you! You have to choose. It's either me or her.
한편 벤턴의 신호가 잡히는 곳을 따라 집 근처 공터로 향하는 스카페타.
Benton? Is this where you're staying?
No.
What is this truck?
It's where we kept Jenks to interrogate him.
Who's we?
Tron and myself.
You had her in our home.
Well, technically, this is not our home.
God, there's so many secrets, Benton.
I think you have a secret, Kay.
What did you do to him? Where's Jinx Slater now?
He's in custody.
So you're letting him take the fall, are you?
Will you just stop trying
What
to
about
investigate
Cami
her
Ramada?
death? Stop with Gwen. Stop with Cami Ramada.
I'm fired. Who the fuck are you? Who are you?
벤턴은 말없이 스카페타와 거리를 두고는
I want to be completely honest with you, Kay. I have some strange behaviors ever since I was a little boy, and I have long hidden these things. And it's important that I say it. I gotta say this to you.
Okay.
I gotta show you my real self.
I know who you are.
No, you don't. You don't know me.
And as fucked up as you are, I'm just as fucked up.
I want a divorce.
Dear God.
루시가 집으로 돌아왔을 때 화면 속 제닛은 이미 스스로를 삭제하고 있었고
Where are you? Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. No. Baby, come back. Please. Janet, please. Where? No.
그때 들어온 도로시.
She's gone.
I didn't know that Janet could.
Of course she couldn't.
What? What do you mean?
There was a failsafe, like with the nukes, you know. Everyone has to turn their own key.
Well, who turned the key?
You didn't. Well, right?
I swear on my life. I swear on my mother's life. I swear on my...
What? My sister.
You've been right all along about Lucy.
Agreed earlier on something for the first time in our lives.
Which was?
That Janet was bad for you.
No, Lucy.
Janet's bad for me?
Well,
If you did it, just go ahead and say it.
Did you shut down?
Okay.
Did you shut her up? Did you shut her
No,
up?
never. I would never, ever do that.
It is grade A narcissism. I lost the one person who really saw me. And I'm pretty sure one of you took her from me.
Come on, Luce.
Lucy, come on.
The bags, they're ready.
Yeah, we're leaving. Look, if you must know, he was given an ultimatum.
I am taking my wife to a hotel, okay? There's no need to read any more into it.
No, I think we do.
Oh, really? And where's your husband, Kay?
He's interrogating suspects in the back.
Make a choice. Right now.
Dr. Kaminsky has information for us about the biosynthetic skin graft.
I need the keys to the truck.
I'm not. I need you.
I need the keys.
벤턴에 이어 루시와 피트마저 떠나고 스카페타는 홀로 남겨집니다.
I know what you did.
What do you mean?
Pretending not to know what a hack is when you perpetrated the whole fucking thing yourself. Fired.
No, not to worry, young lady.
Hey, Kay.
28년 전 믿을 사람이라고는 오직 벤턴뿐이었던 스카페타는 결국 그와 넘지 말아야 할 선을 넘고 말았죠.
See you out there, Kay.
You can never tell him.
그녀는 벤턴에게만큼은 자신이 로이를 죽였다는 사실을 끝내 비밀에 붙입니다. 피트는 그런 두 사람의 관계를 눈치챘죠. 그 시각 분노에 휩싸인 루시가 찾아간 사람은
Was to try to help other people who'd lost people. That's what gave birth to this place.
상실의 고통을 겪는 이들을 치유한다는 명목으로 활동하던 메시였습니다. 벤턴은 시에라를 찾아갔고 매기는 스카페타를 불러냅니다.
From Dr. Debbie. She says to tell you that the biosynthetic skin from Cammy and Gwen's bodies are the same.
You expect me to believe you're helping me now, Maggie?
I've only ever tried to help you.
What do you want?
I have everything you need to bury him.
Who?
Ready, of course. I have proof. Every bad thing he ever did.
You would really do that?
I agreed to something that was not my making. And before I knew it, I was in up to my ears. And I never hacked you. Elvin did.
Why?
So you would never trust me. I'll prove it to you. I'll get you everything you need to nail the bastard.
Okay.
Marvelous.
그렇게 스카페타가 다시 텅 빈 집으로 돌아왔을 때 프루그에게 전화가 걸려옵니다.
But I've been working with Dr. Kaminsky on where Gwen and Cammy might have gotten the skin graft.
No, I can't.
Yeah.
Repeat that? Who?
That's how he met them. They were in the same group.
그때 스카페타의 눈에 들어오는 무언가. 그건 바로 눌린 동전이었죠.
Hey, Doc. See, you found my penny. That one's real special. It's from the year I was born.
Officer Ryan.
Officer August Ryan, doctor.
Lori was the first time I'd seen a body done to like that.
로리 사건 당시 처음으로 시체를 목격했던 라이언은 공포가 아닌 알 수 없는 쾌감에 사로잡혔고
I made a mess with Cammy. Gwen was perfection. I did it to impress just the right gal.
W.
Stop your fighting and it won't hurt.
Don't you bring it back to its flattened.
어린 라이언의 삼촌은 범죄를 저지를 때마다 조카를 현장에 데려가 손에 동전을 쥐어주었습니다.
Some of us got scars on the outside, some on the inside. I got both.
그렇게 스카페타 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 법의학 스릴러의 바이블, 스카페타 시리즈가 아마존 프라임 오리지널로 찾아왔습니다. 이 시리즈는 원작의 묵직하고 서늘한 분위기를 시각적으로 완벽하게 구현했습니다. 사건 현장의 미세한 증거를 쫓는 과정이 워낙 치밀하다 보니 자극적인 액션보다는 정교한 심리전과 고도의 추리 과정을 선사하는데요. 덕분에 빠른 전개를 원하는 분들에겐 호흡이 조금 길게 느껴질 수 있지만 그만큼 서사가 주는 깊이는 압도적입니다. 특히 니콜 키드먼이 연기하는 케이 스카페타의 냉철하면서도 인간적인 고뇌는 극의 중심을 단단히 잡아줍니다. 여기에 제이미 리, 커티스와의 팽팽한 연기합은 시종일관 숨막히는 텐션을 유지하게 만들죠. 차가운 부검대 위에서 시작되는 가장 뜨거운 진실 추적. 웰메이드 범죄 수사물의 진술을 맛보고 싶은 분들께 스카페타 추천드리며 영상 마치겠습니다. 감사합니다.